if the price is higher than before. And I will explain later on my arguments. And second, this will be not manipulate happen if there is tax. It will not happen, ladies and gentlemen, because there is law enforcement that already exists in the status quo. Even if still any cases, because of law enforcement is lack, we can reinforce the law enforcement itself. Means the status quo right now is already progressive by empower the law enforcement. If there is a manipulated that done by our itself, we don't need to add tax because there is a bring some bad things for the stakeholder, and I will explain that. Then the third point is that they can pay tax if only you have 1%. Yes, we believe that if we buy a product, but this is Indonesia. If 1% is also a money, means that it's not belief. We also need the money for that. Means we also, as a developing country, that really need money. Means for even if 100% is also make a burden for the society. And the fourth is that the future impacts that come out from the opposite approach. They say that tax can be guaranteed by any price. I have already explained it that status quo is already progressive. Furthermore, there is an building that is a track record from the ATM that is also check balance from the government to control their society. And law enforcement are already there, and I already explained before. And so, welcome to my arguments. First of all, the further impacts. Status quo right now, online shopping in Indonesia not get tax for their contributions. This is very enough because if we are adding tax, it will very bad because there is a problematic here. First, it will increase the inequality. Big all shops is big. All shops already get tax. If we are actually getting more tax for them, it will create a double burden. First of all, they pay tax before selling this price. For example, in administrations, transport, shipping, even transfer their product to their customer, they also need JNN, etc. Means they need to pay tax also in that kind of things. Second of all, if pay tax, it will not good because the furthermore, when buy product, they also buy in offline shop first. Means they also get tax before they buy that kind of product, right? This is not justified. And second, in contrast, if adding tax in offline shop, this is very justified because there is a bad things that come out from offline shop. For example, they need place, they need machine, they need limbah or rubbish that can come out from that kind of shop, and it will create the environment more bad in that day. Even if online also create that, but not as big as online or offline shop. For example, like Matahari is in a very big space in contrast to Lazada, for example. As a contribution, they need to get money, they need to get tax for that. Moreover, when they send product, for example, like by JNE or Post Indonesia or other agen shipping, they also pay tax before that. That is why they need to pay more rights. That is why it is not justified having tax for them. And the second argument is that it will impact for the stakeholders. First, for the society. When we are adding tax, the tendency to increase the price will high. Society needs to pay more to buy that kind of tools, product. The problem is that we are developing country. If the people just eat because it is for more cheaper rather than the offline shop. And if they are cheaper, it will make them to avoid that kind of tax. They choose it because they want to avoid that kind of tax. And for example, in Adidas, there is a billions rupiah, for example. Then they choose to also because it's maybe a half under that kind of price. If they are adding tax, it is burden for the society. They cannot even achieve it because there is a higher number. Meanwhile, achieve is to fulfill the desire, the happiness as a basic needs of human being. And if you are adding tax, it will decrease the happiness because they cannot achieve it, right? Furthermore, it will hamper the society demand because online shops chosen by the society because they are unique and different, even exclusive. What is that? Number one is cheap. Why? Because there is no tax in there. The problem is that the government choose to add tax for the online shop, means will increase the price, and means the exclusivity from the old shop will be broke because there is an expensive price. At least in the end of the day, it will decrease the demand of the society to buy that kind of product. Then it is carried back because of the demand of the society will be more low than before. And the second of all, the stakeholder is also. It will create In this case, they are all sharp and not give any bad things. Meanwhile, good things is more higher than the bad things is soft. That's why they are justified in not getting taxed.